AI to understand and respond to your voice commands, making technology more accessible and user-friendly. From medical breakthroughs like AI-powered prosthetic limbs to educational apps that personalize learning, engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, making our world a better and more exciting place. You might be thinking, okay, AI is cool, but can it just learn and do everything by itself? Well, not quite. While AI is super smart, it still needs a human touch. And that's where engineers come in. They're like the teachers and mentors of the AI world. Engineers play a vital role in ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly and ethically. They make sure that AI systems are fair, unbiased, and don't accidentally cause harm. They are the guardians of AI, shaping its future for the better. Without engineers, AI would be like a powerful tool without a skilled craftsperson to wield it. It's the engineer's creativity, ingenuity, and ethical compass that truly unlock AI's potential. So, who's really smarter, engineers or AI? It's a bit of a trick question. AI can process information and perform calculations much faster than any human, but it still lacks the creativity, intuition, and empathy that make us uniquely human. Think of it this way. AI is like a superpowered calculator, while engineers are the ones who understand the problems, come up with solutions, and use AI as a tool to bring those solutions to life. It's not a competition, but a collaboration. Engineers and AI work together as a powerful team, each bringing their own strengths to the table. Feeling inspired? The world of engineering is full of exciting possibilities. If you love solving problems, designing cool things, and making a real difference in the world, then engineering might just be the perfect path for you. As an engineer, you can work on cutting-edge AI projects, design robots that explore distant planets, find solutions to climate change, or even create the next generation of life-saving medical devices. The only limit is your imagination. So, are you ready to embark on an adventure that will empower you to shape the future? Join the ranks of engineers and become an architect of the amazing world of tomorrow.